Hi guys, welcome to another Snazzy Foods cooking video where we make cooking simple. Today we're going to be making a mashed potato salad. Let's get to it. I'm going to start off by peeling 6 medium potatoes. The potatoes are all peeled. I'm going to cube it so that it's easier to boil. The potatoes are all cut up. I'm going to cover it with some water and put it up to boil. In a separate pot, I'm putting up 3 eggs to boil. You want the eggs to be hard boiled as we will be grating them later. Okay, so while we wait for the potatoes and eggs to boil, I'm going to chop up 1 medium onion. Our onions are nice and finely chopped. Let's go and check on those potatoes. The eggs are still boiling. We're going to leave them until they're nice and firm. The potatoes seem to be done. I'm just going to check it by pushing a knife through. If it goes through easily, then the potatoes are ready. I'm going to be taking it off the heat. Okay, so the potatoes have been drained. I'm going to add them to a bowl. And just going to give it a good mash. To the mashed potatoes, I'm going to add in the onions that we chopped. I've peeled the boiled eggs. Using the fine side of a grater, I'm just going to grate the egg. To this, I'll add in a few tablespoons of mayonnaise. Salt. Freshly ground black pepper. I'll add some mixed herbs. This mixed herbs is made up of thyme, basil, parsley, and oregano. And a dash of lemon juice. Let's give it all a good mix. Just top it off with a bit of parsley. And there you have it, an easy and tasty potato salad. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps promote the channel. See you in the next video.